Connect TikTok Shop to Squarespace. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect TikTok Shop to Squarespace. So first, you have to go to edit section of your Squarespace. And I'm going to introduce to your elf site. You just have to go to elf site and click the very first or second link that you can see here. Now, if you don't have an account, then you have to create an account first. And then once you have created your own account, then basically you have to go to the search icon and you have to search for TikTok. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to create widget, or you're going to copy a code from our site and paste it there to your Squarespace. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can now choose a template, so everything is up to you. This is how your TikTok shop appears on your website. So for example, this one, you like this, you can choose this template and then tap add source, go to profile and paste your TikTok shop URL here. After that, click apply. Then you should see your TikTok shop contents on the right side. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you just have to simply click publish. They will ask you to upgrade your plan, but it's okay. You can still get your code even if you're using the basic version of our site. So click publish and then select the free version here. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you just have to simply copy the code. So once you have copied the code, this one, you can now go back to your Squarespace website. And then you have to simply create a new section so that you can see the add block option right here. So let me add a blank section right here. Okay, blank section. Tap this one. Click, tap add block, and then look for code or HTML. Tap, then paste it right here. Okay, so after you have pasted this, then your TikTok shop will appear on this blank section. Okay, so basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.